Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be trying out this baguette pattern. So I've always wanted to make a baguette, and then I made one time, but it was very small. So I'm just going to try it again. So I'm just going to place my patterns on this old pair of jeans. I'm just going to place them on it and cut it out. After cutting it out, I wasn't feeling it. It wasn't giving all the things it needed to give. So I just went ahead to curve here and there, slant here and there. You know, all these little tricks to make it suit my taste. So after slanting everything, it became okay. I liked the shape. It started giving all the things I needed it to give. So for the sides, it felt so small, so slim, and I didn't want the bag to be very slim, so I went ahead to add 1 inch around the sides of the pattern on my fabric, and then I cut it out. So technically this is all I'm going to cut out for this part, because I'm going to use the waist for the waist of the jeans, the band of the jeans for the handle. So I went ahead to cut out my lining. I don't have all the baggy stuff, the things for making bags, so I use gum stay to make it stiff a bit, and then now I'm pinning it down, getting ready to sew and have my bag. From this part that I'm pinning out already, you can already see that it's giving bag vibes, and I'm excited. I can't wait to see what it turns into. our bag is almost ready. I went ahead to add little details while sewing. I added the loops, the belt loops for the handle, and then a mini pocket, a very very small pocket to the side of the bag. Just we're going to see how it turns out. So once I'm done tucking in the lining and hemming the edges, our bag is ready. It's finished. It doesn't even take long to make, like an hour tops. The bag is so cute. Like, it's really giving. I can't wait to wear it out. Like, you all are going to see me with it. Even if I'm going to buy pure water down the street, you're going to see me with the bag. So that's all for today's pattern tryout. If you like my bag and if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.